I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming basics that often fix the issue fast. First, toggle your device Wi-Fi off and on. Make sure airplane mode is off. Next, power cycle the router and modem. Unplug, wait 30 to 60 seconds, then plug back in. This clears temporary errors. Finally, choose the correct SSID and re-enter the password, and if available, try the other band too. 4 GHz versus 5 GHz to rule out band interference before moving deeper. Once done with reboots, diagnose addressing and driver problems. You should check whether the device is set to DHCP or a static IP. Run ipconfig on Windows or ifconfig on Mac OS/Linux to inspect the assigned address and gateway. Then update your Wi-Fi adapter drivers and the router firmware, because outdated software often causes failures. If that fails, forget the network and rejoin, and plug a laptop into Ethernet. To finish, apply targeted fixes. Reset network settings on your device, and if necessary, perform a factory reset on the router, only after backing up settings. Change the wireless channel and move the router away from microwaves or thick walls to reduce interference, and reconfigure SSID, password, and security to WPA2 or WPA3. If problems persist, contact your ISP and provide them with your test results, LED status, and any router logs. This speeds diagnosis and avoids repeated steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.